Hello, my name is Todd Oliver. This is Unit 20, and I'm going to be doing a workshop. Everybody would like to make a rather big circle. Oh, I forgot something. One sec. Everybody just stay in the circle. Where did I put it? And with this sound we've created, please pass it around the circle any way you feel necessary, but using vocality, so pitch, dynamics, emotion on the sound.
Just sound, yeah? Does it have
Yes.
to be the same sound?
No, switch it up. Would be even better for me, thank you. So, Holly, you have the sound. Pass to anyone you'd like to pass it to. But you have to have eye contact so you know you're passing it. So don't just pass it if they're looking at the left.
Ciao! Bing! Wah! Bo! Ee! Ah! Bloop! Meow. Ah! Ree, ree. Ah. Wah! Meh. Ee! Ee! Ting. Chicka-blah. No. Ooh. Boop. Ooh. Woof. Wool ahead. Wee! Wee! Nah.
Put it away. Next one. Everybody, if you could lie on the floor, please, in Alexander position. So, we're just going to do a few breathing exercises to really get our vocal cords in shape. So, if you'd like to breathe in before, just going to start easy, guys. And then breathe out for 4. Just really work on that diaphragm. Make sure it's really coming just from below your belly button so you can really feel it with your arms. And we'll just do that for 3 times. So if you could do it for 3 times, guys, and then put your hand up when you've done it 3 times. Anyone struggling, I can help. Hey, very good, guys. So, the next thing we're going to do is, we're going to breathe in for 6, and then breathe out for 6. Does everybody feel comfortable doing that? Just give me a little nod of your head if you feel comfortable doing that. Okay, do that for 3 times. Same rule applies. Hand up when you finish. Do you think you can do 8?
Yes.
Everyone gives a nod or a no, not. Perfectly fine. We don't want you to faint or anything. You are already on the floor, so if you faint, it'll be very hard to tell. So just let me know if you can do it. Okay, right, just for 3 more times and then we'll move on to something else. I think, yeah. Okay then guys, well done. Give yourselves a pat on the back for that. The next one we are going to do, if you'd like to all stand up and get into partners, please. Actually, I will put you in partners, as it is my workshop. I shall take lead on this one. Sophie, should go with Harry, please. Ebony, Grace, Phoebe with Jess, Megan with Holly. So, this is a nice little game that I have prepared for us all today. Imagine you're in a hairdressing salon. One of you is the hairdresser and one of you is the client. So if you'd like to label yourselves one of them, don't take much time on it, it's not a big deal. So, we might need chairs for this. If whoever is the client wants to get a chair, awesome. And this is a bit of improvisation as well. One of you is just going to go first, whoever feels confident. And the hairdresser, in complete gobbledygook, an absolute complete alien language, is going to be asking them how they want their hair cut. And you, the client, using your pitch, tone, dynamics of voice, is going to be telling them how you're feeling they're cutting your hair. So if they're cutting it the right way, how you want it cut. You get what I'm trying to say here?
Yeah, I get it.
Is anybody confused?
I don't
Is
get it.
anybody confused? You are confused.
Maybe a demonstration, yeah.
Yes. Would you,
We get it.
do you guys get it? So would you like to do a demonstration?
Yes, see, I think I want to keep it long, so not too
Bleh,
long.
bleh, 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 bleh.
I don't think I'll suit a bob though, that's the thing.
Bleh, 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 tapate que se bleh, bleh, no.
I don't want highlights, no. I just want to keep it the same length, just to trim,
Bleh,
please.
bleh, no, no.
No, I don't want to shave my head.
Bleh, no.
No, just the same length, please. That's
Bleh, bleh, bleh.
Very good, very good. So could you guys, well Grace, could you tell me the sort of vocal skills like pitch, dynamics Ebony was using that you picked up on, that you understood what she was trying to say
I feel
in that
like-
conversation so you could reciprocate?
She was playing with pitch, like, so I understood when she was asking me a question,
Yeah.
kind of thing. Because, like, you go higher at the end of a question,
Cool.
that kind of vibe.
Very good. Who would like to go next?
We will.
Phoebe!
Bleh, 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 bleh. Long. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Bleh, 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 bleh. Oh no, don't pull it back. Or put it up. No, no, no. Bleh, 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 bleh. Oh no, don't curl it. No, no, no. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Oh no.
Very good, very good. Holly, would you like to go next, or Sophie or Harry? Yeah?
Yeah,
Do you understand it, Megan?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Just give it your best go.
Yeah, no, I've not really been taking good care of my hair, have I?
That was it.
Uh,
Anyway, Kadida, Tati.
I think I like a bob, you know? You know, when it...
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would suit me.
Yeah.
Curves into the edges, like...
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Okay.
Sort of understood that last bit. Very good anyway. Harry, go on then, mate. Oh, Sophie, save the best till last. Ooh, hatow! Ooh, wow, wow, wow!
Do you like it then?
No, it's not.
You either like it or you don't.
No. Oh, yeah.
I like it medium length.
Okay. Oh, what's that? She.
Just a medium trim, please.
No. She.
Just a trim.
Okay, let's end that there before you ruin Sophie's hair. So, if everybody could collect their monologue that they have chosen. Get through these chairs now. If you'd all like just to form a kind of semicircle as we were in before. Doesn't matter if you know it or not, it's fine. So I just want to know of you guys, one by one, what's the sort of emotion that you feel when you're delivering this monologue like? What sort of emotion are you giving to the audience? We'll just go around.
Well, she's killing a cat, but so you'd think that she'd be like upset that she's killed a cat, but she's not really upset. She kind of just feels like it's right. Like she doesn't feel like it's wrong that
So
she's
she's
killed a cat. So she's
Kind
just,
of happy about
she's-
it. If we were
but she's also kind of emotionless because she's just saying her thoughts and yeah, she's
So-
saying what she thinks.
saying what she thinks.
Yeah.
But if you could put a sort of emotion, is she happy about killing the cat? Sad? Is she angry that she's killed the cat?
She's quite happy that she
Happy.
killed the cat. Yeah.
So, if you could pick a complete opposite emotion, which you would not deliver doing this monologue to an audience, what sort of emotion could you put to that?
Sad.
Sad.
Yeah.
So, you're going to go first, I hope that's okay. Just pick a little section of the monologue and do it the most melodramatically sad you can possibly do it.
Okay.
Obviously, re-emphasising your vocal skills and really showing the audience.
Took her 3 nights to get back into my lap, and I'm stroking her and thinking warm, delicate, you know. And I put my hands around her neck and I squeeze until her neck is about the thickness of her throat, and still I squeeze, and I'm sitting there, and this is the last night with this dead cat in my lap, and I thought I'd come in and see you, and here I am.
God, you nearly brought a tear to my eye. So, if anybody would like to give just some feedback on some of the vocal skills she used in that to portray that she was sad, or give some constructive feedback on the vocal skills she could have used to portray the sadness better.
I like how lately trying to hold back tears or whatever. But like maybe she could have been like sad but not in an emotional way. Do you know what I mean? I don't know how to, because she's obviously sad then.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I feel like she try and hold back her tears maybe. But she can still be sad through that.
Yeah. Like high-ish and kind of like the
Yeah.
sharp.
Cool, cool. Thank you, Jess. So we'll have a boy next. Harry?
Yes.
Hello. What emotion is conveyed in your?
So in this monologue, he's quite, I'd say he's almost jealous and he's very angry.
Oh, jealous and anger.
Jealous and anger, yes.
So, if you were going to give a completely different emotion, what would you give?
Very happy, like almost.
Almost time.
He's very, very ecstatic.
Excited, okay?
Ecstatic.
Ecstatic, okay.
Embracing, happy.
So, if you'd just like to read a little section that you think is appropriate, that you could portray the best bit for in that,
Yeah.
go ahead.
I'm just going to find a bit for you. Directly to his good, divinity of hell. They do suggest at first with heavenly shows, as I do now, for a while this honest.
Keep it together, Harry, you're doing really well.
Lies testimony to repair his fortune.
So, apart from the slight corpse, could Could we give some feedback, please, guys?
He stayed in character, didn't stay in character, but constructively, I feel like he
Talk about the pitch and vocality of his voice. maybe.
pitch. I feel like actually it really worked. He heightened his voice to show that he was happy, obviously. Because if you're quite sad, you'd be like lower, and anger would be low. But he heightened it, which was very good. So pitch, good solid. Yeah, I feel like it worked for like how you said that he's jealous as well.
Yeah.
Because I feel like some people like pretend to be overly happy for that person when they're jealous of them.
Yeah.
Like, oh, well done, when really they're like, I want that. It's like it kind of worked.
Well then, Chris, you've given such good feedback.
Thank you
Now
very
it's your
much.
turn.
Lovely.
So, what emotion is conveyed through your mind?
Like deception. She's like met someone and she thought she trusted them, and then he ended up stealing money from her and left her. So, deception.
Quite sad.
Yeah,
Okay.
be emotional.
So, try it positively.
Of course.
With a positive one.
Yeah. I want to cry, but I won't. Well, I do a bit. I want my dad, I want my mum, and I can't think of them because if I do, then my chest will explode. So to stop myself from falling apart, I think of all the things that I know. Of all the things I know certain to be true, and the truth is it's a very short list. I don't know very much at all.
Absolutely true.
Thank you.
Would anybody like to give Grace some feedback, constructive and positive?
It's like just by smiling, it like lifts your voice, so it just made the whole thing like you were talking about like the saddest stuff, and it sounded so happy. So
Sounded quite comical.
Yeah.
Right. Does anybody like again? Holly, you look eager. So, what emotion do you convey?
she's quite sarcastic.
So quite angry.
That's the second emotion I said.
Okay. Has anybody got a sad emotion? Because we've had quite a few positive.
No.
No.
I think everyone's
As in
We'll
sad-
stick- we'll
I
stick
think
with you.
everyone's got-
sarcastic. She said.
Yeah, sarcastic. So like, she is like, she's happy, but she's not.
Okay. Well, I think we're wrapped for time now anyway,
Yeah,
guys.
shame.
It was, hope you all enjoyed my
Thanks,
workshop.
Todd.
Thanks,
You
Todd.
too.
It's supposed to be a